Today I'm going to show you how to add HTML code or embed a site to your Wix website. What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in with your boy Nino from Creatively Nino. I got a tutorial for you guys today on how you can add HTML code or a website to your actual website. So let's go ahead and hop on over to our add button here. Okay, let's go to the add button and then we'll come and scroll all the way down to embed. Okay, and then we're going to go to custom embeds. Okay, so we have one out of these three here. Okay, so two out of the three are going to be your HTML iframe. Okay, and that is the HTML code or the website that you would put in to your actual Wix editor here. Okay, so if we click on one of these here, they're both the same. Okay, the only difference is this custom element, and this custom element displays custom elements using snippets of code. Okay, so that means snippets of JavaScript code or Wix code, which is now called Velo, that you can actually put in there. So definitely go check out some of my videos on Velo. There's definitely some good beginner tutorials that I have on my website, so check them out in the right hand corner as I speak right now. But actually, let's go ahead and just get into the simple HTML code here. All right, so let's go ahead and click embed website, all right, or embed code. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we can change the settings here. Okay, so this is one of the HTML settings. You can actually do a website address where you put in your HTTPS only websites here, or you put in code, and then also you can only put in HTTPS websites inside this HTML code. Okay, so today we're going to really just focus on these two right here, the website address and the code. All right, but also you can actually stretch this thing out to full width if you want it to show on your whole entire website. Okay, if you don't want it to be in a specific location, you could actually just span it the whole entire website frame. As you can see, I have this big 1080p frame here, so it can actually stretch that full width, as you can see. All right, but we're gonna bring that back down. And then also you have the notorious Wix help here. All right, so if you need any help with this thing, definitely click that to learn a little bit more about how you can use this HTML iframe. All right, so let's go ahead and head on over to settings, and let's start off with a website address. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and type in my website. Okay, all right, so once you guys have your website address in there, you guys can click apply. Okay, and then also you can go to what's in embed. Okay, so this is what you'll tell Google what is inside of that embed. All right, and what you do here is you would say this is creatively Nino website. All right, that will be Creatively Nino website. And then if you're having troubles, just click that learn more button here. But as you can see, my whole site came through just like that. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna go ahead and span this out a little bit. And also you guys can use the stretch to full width. All right, this will definitely help out, especially since I'm embedding a website in here. So it's not actually any type of like code that you might just see one little thing, right? This is actually showing you a whole entire website. So we can span this down, and this could just be on your website, right? So all you have to do is come over here to the preview button, and then you can actually come into the preview button and you can have that embedded website inside of your own website. All right, so it will just wait for a few seconds to load because I did put in a bit.ly link, so it's just redirecting it to my website. All right, boom, there you go. And also you can go ahead and check out any of my other tutorials here. Also, I have some trending like posts here about how to add code to your website. All right, so this is pretty neat. All right, so let's talk about code. I actually spun up some code actually. So let me go ahead and do that real quick. I'm going to bring this down from that stretch full width, and I'm going to push this down a little bit here, go over to my settings, and I'm going to put in some code. All right, So let's go ahead and put in some code. And I'm just dropping some code that I've already done before inside of here. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and click update. So basically what this is doing is it's displaying buttons. All right, so I got this information from W3 Schools, so definitely go check that out. So now let's go ahead and click update. And as you can see, we have updated our buttons here. So now, as you can see, there's a stylish button hover effect. And then if we go ahead and preview this bad boy, then you can see that we have put these actual buttons in here, these stylish hover effect buttons here. It's pretty neat, but also Wix has that option for you to make this happen. So definitely go ahead and check out my other tutorial in the right hand corner as I speak right now, where I go a little bit more into like animations and definitely like different things that can actually help you out with bringing more color to your website. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and press back. But yes, that is how you put in your HTML code here. Okay, so basically just this little itty bitty amount of code actually goes a long way. So you can see that this is styling up here, and you can style it to whatever your likeliness is. If you guys want to go ahead and do more here, you guys can. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Definitely give it a shot. If you have any questions, drop them below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you aren't already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, guys? Ciao.